Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to see next type of chart, that is bar chart or bar graph. So what is bar graph? Bar graph means a bar graph is used to represent data in the form of vertical or horizontal bars, and it is useful to compare the quantities. It is not a new things, students. It is a old things only that you have seen at many places. You all might have seen in cricket game when that scores are shown to viewers on TV. Then that time they used to represent overs and runs in the form of different bars, and we are very much familiar with this graph. So here what is that we are reading two axis graph, x axis and y axis. So in this graph, x axis will have constant data and y axis will show the increment or decrement, increase or decrease in the value. So we will keep x axis as constant and y axis as variable. So first we will learn how to create a simple bar graph. Okay, then we will see, and many things are common in bar graph and line graph, that is it will also have title of graph, it will also have y axis, and it will also have x axis. So these are common things which was in line graph also. So next we are going to see how to make this graph. For that what is we have to do? We have to take this statement, import matplotlib pyplot, and numpy I will not use, I will show you simple graph. And so this I will take one constant data for x axis and a variable data for y axis. Then we will use pl or plt dot bar. We are we were using plot for line chart, line graph. Here we will use bar, pl dot or plt dot bar, and it will have two things, x axis and y axis. This is x axis and this is y axis. X axis will be constant, y axis will be varying. So we will make one simple bar graph which will show the student marks in five subject in the form of bars. So let us start and we will move to our programming part. So here we are going to see the practical of drawing or creating a bar graph. For that what you have to do, I will show from beginning. First you have to import you have to type in a small, import matplotlib. When you are typing that code, that time itself you will remember many things, so it will help you in examination. matplotlib.py plot as plt. Next I will take what subject that will work for x-axis. Subject I will take English, sorry, in single quote you have to write English, then comma, single quote, maths, then other subject name, maths, physics, chemistry, and our subject I will take IP. So this one will work as x-axis. Now another, what I want, marks. So I will take list of marks in 5 subject. Here we are making simple graph. So English 92, math 95, physics 93, comma, chemistry 85, and IP 97. Math I will take 90. So any number we can take, that is 5 subject. Now what we have to do, what will write to make bar graph? So I will tell you plt dot, what we have seen, we have to write bar for bar graph, plot for line graph. So x-axis is subject, so subject first, then y-axis is marks, so marks. Next I'll make it a small, marks. So that's all, and plt dot show. This is our basic structure. After that we will manipulate many things in this graph. First we will see the output of the graph. So run and see what is coming. Figure size, okay. So run and see, it is showing you that all subject name on the x-axis and all, this is the ruler for marks, and you can see here the marks is math, and minimum marks is in chemistry and maximum marks is in IP. We can change like this. Suppose math I will make 80 and physics 90, and this one chemistry 75. So now the graph will be look like this, okay. So here graph has x-axis, y-axis, but here again we are missing something, that is called what? Title, X label, Y label. So earlier I told you that every graph has some common features, that is title and X label, Y label. For that, what you have to do? You have to write, you can write before this statement, show statement, anywhere, कहीं भी लिख दीजिए what plt dot x label, label, स्पेलिंग label, and x axis क्या दिखा रहा है? What is showing by x axis? That is subjects. So I'll write subjects. Okay. Next one, plt dot y label, label, label लगाना है, it is not level, so label, label, and you have to write what? X axis, what is showing? Marks in subjects. So that's all. It will give you that label has been there, coming here, it is X label, it is Y label. Okay, but title is missing, so I'll write title also. So this will be clear that these three things will come in every graph except that pie chart. In pie chart, axis is not there. So here plt dot title, 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 and bracket. So what title we are going to give? The subject marks graph, subject marks graph, and it will give you this title, syntax error, something is missing. Yes, here two brackets are there, so remove this one, and if you are working, error will come. Many times I told you that don't afraid of error, so only we have to take care while typing the. So this graph is a basic bar graph which has x axis, y axis, and title. So now up to here we have seen that we can create bar graph in simple way. Now we will see some one or two features of this graph, like how to change the color of this bar. So here you have to write color, color equal to, suppose you want green color, so you write G or complete green you can write and see the changes. If I write here orange, ORANGE, full word also it will take, and only one word also it will take, so it is orange color. You can write O also for changing the colors, like suppose I write P, whether it will work or not I don't know, because P is not recognized error is coming, P, or you can write R for red. So basic colors are there, that will come. M also will work for magenta, I think, yes, magenta color. So whatever color you want, you can give. Now I'll tell you one more interesting things, that so far we are watching same color for all bars, but suppose we want to change the color of all bars in different color, then what we will do? For that we will give one list, okay, like we have done in data frame for giving index name to each index separately. So color code will be same, red first bar, second bar green, third bar yellow, fourth bar magenta, fifth bar blue. So we have 5 bars, so 5 colors we have given in this program, and now run and see the different colors. So in this way we can change the color of the bar, okay. So I have given here color. You have to write down all these programs. I am making one mistake, I should write it separately so that you will copy. So I will make this, I'll copy this program and copy, and I'll paste here, and I will make this program simple so that you can note down in your copy notebook. This will be simple graph, so it is simple graph, and next will be our colorful graph, okay. So this is our second program and this is our first program. Also we can change the width of the bar. So we will see how to change the different width of the bar. some कुछ बार्स जो होंगे पतले होंगे, कुछ चौड़े होंगे. How to this one, so how to complete this program? So width width equal to, suppose we write 1, then what will come? Run and see. So all have come in equal part. So to make it small, I'll write 0.5. So 0.5. Now what is the coming? Yes, you can see that bars are coming in. This initial width was this, and after changing the width is coming like this. This can also be more small, so more thin. So like this we can change the width of the bar. Here at last I will tell you how to give different width of different bars. So for that also you have to make that you have to make list. List is only the solution for giving different different data to the different bars. So 0.2 have been given, so 0.3 comma 0.4 comma 0.5 comma 0.6. so 5 times I have given, and we will see what is the coming in output. So here we can see all the bars are having different width and different colors. So for today's class, this only you have to practice at home, that you have to create one simple bar of this marks and subject, and each bar will represent marks of different subjects. So I think you have understood this program or this topic, creating bar chart and bar graph, and in next video we will see some more types of bar graphs like horizontal bar graphs and vertical bar graphs we have already seen, and some more features. So till then, take care and practice at home. Thank you very much.